following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and themes unsuitable for people under the age of 13.
What's this big deal about a farming game?
Dude, it's called Smile Valley Farm. Don't you know this game? So no, the one that Naira guy has it. It's so hooked up with these days.
Check this out. Huh? That's weird.
Can you reset them?
Well, I can try that.
What the hell did you do? You just reset the whole game, but get this, even the whole media is reporting about the bug.
Oh god, no. This was all my fault.
Chuck ran them over while Axel was supposed to leave to a school near Tokay on the night of January 10th, 2024. I'm gonna find him and kill the man responsible for my son's murder. And if you dare tell the police about it, I'll bring you down.
You?
This is for my son.
Es wird viel passieren. Nicht bleibt mehr gleich. Nichts bleibt beim Alten wie gehabt. Es wird viel passieren. Es wird viel passieren. Nichts bleibt mehr gleich. Nichts bleibt beim Alten wie gehabt. Es wird passieren. I need some help in here now!
How's Chuck doing? What's happened to my son?
Chuck Beardet lövésben és eszméletlen állapotban fedezték fel néhány barátja, amikor a házhoz értek. A bélbe lőtték, és súlyos vérveszteséget szenvedett.
But is he going to be okay?
Sajnos az ilyen sérülések miatt nem látok esélyt arra, hogy Chuck felépüljön. A vérvesztesége olyan mértékű volt, hogy kómába helyeztük, hogy kezeljék.
Oh my god.
Fájdalomcsillapító kezelést is adtunk neki, úgyhogy reménykedem a felépülésében. Attól tartok, ennyit tudnék neked mondani.
I don't want my son to die. I don't want to lose him all over again.
It's okay, honey. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
Hi. Any updates on Chuck yet?
He just had surgery, but he's in a coma.
Oh god.
It all just happened so suddenly, and we didn't even hear about it until now.
Why didn't anyone warn us about that before?
What are you talking about? None of us knew what was gonna happen. It was just one shot. One damn shot.
Stop being yourself, Rock.
Why? Do you think I shot Chuck?
No, or she didn't.
Wake up, Dr. Fox. Surely anyone can get away with Chuck's shooting, and I want to know who was responsible. If it was those bad piggies who carried it out.
It wasn't them. All right. It was Lydia. She shot Chuck.
Who? Chuck's ex?
Yes. Lydia came to my house today and threatened to kill Chuck because she knew that her son, Axel, was murdered by him. It dated all the way back from January. Chuck killed his ex-girlfriend's son?
As if. Chuck wouldn't necessarily kill a stupid raccoon kid for nothing.
Yeah.
I get he is innocent, but at what cost?
Could all of you please just shut up? It's Chuck's life we should be worried about, not Lydia. We should all just pray and hope Chuck will be alive.
We're sorry, boss. We have no idea what happened, and why.
How did this happen? Why did he have to die so soon?
It was suicide, boss. It got too much for him and took his own life.
He should have never done that. What he did was a stupid mistake. He was supposed to take down the bird family, and this is what happens.
Take it easy, boss. It's not McLaren's fault we failed to order a hit on the birds.
But what the hell is the point? Someone drove McLaren to suicide.
Who told you that? No one is being blamed for McLaren's suicide. It was his decision.
Nonsense. I'm gonna find out who was responsible for how the hell McLaren actually died, and I'm gonna make sure we'll finish where McLaren left off. That's my promise.
What the hell? Chuck, what are you doing?
I am doing a seance here.
In the middle of the road this time of night? Really? Why are you doing this?
Because I wanted to communicate with ectoplasms. That's all.
Chuck, ectoplasm is not real. Do you even know what it is? It's a viscous substance that is said to exude from the body of a spiritualist medium in trance and may then take the shape of a face, a hand, or a complete body.
Relax, bro, I got this.
Oh come on man. You are doing this wrong.
That's Dr. Fox's ectoplasm. Don't worry, it's dull. I'm gonna use that doll and wait for something to happen. Okay, I admit it, it really was a dumb idea.
I'm gonna ruin everyone's lives.
Did we just do that?
Oh god, if our parents find out about that, we're dead. I have to remove the torches before anyone else see them.
Dude, what the hell was that?
I swear I just heard a ghost around here.
A ghost? What the hell? Do we call the Ghostbusters or what?
Now, something else. We should install security cameras all over the house and try to track down this sore loser.
What is this paranormal activity? We're not even hunting possessed people, or demons for that matter.
Now you listen to me, Dr. Phil. We're gonna find a way to stop this ghost or ectoplasm or whatever the hell it is, because I really want to kill somebody that haunts us all. Wasn't that enough?
Hello? Is anybody here? Why is it so dark? Oh my god, who are you? Want from me?
Relax, babe. Do you know me? I'm your ectoplasm. Yeah, half ectoplasm, half ghost. I know where you live. I know who you are. I'm going to haunt you and your friends and turn Neeraj Hazza upside down. And for what? Brace yourself, Georgina. The best is yet to come.
Katie! What's the matter, buddy?
What is this? Where am I? How did I get here?
Hello, my brother.
Zach.
Take it easy, mate. We're here to help you.
Help me with what? What is going on?
We're here to take you back home.
Now what is that supposed to mean?
We know what happened with you was cruel, ill-timed, and unacceptable. So now, we're here to help you bring you back to life. However, what you won't know is that someone is waiting for you, by your bedside.
So why wait? Step in.
Please don't leave us, Daddy. We love you.
Who? What? What happened? Where am I?
Hello?
Orange?
What? Did you think I was dead?
What has happened to your face? You look so unrecognizable.
No time to explain. I'll tell you how I got here. Recently, I've just been out at a rehabilitation center, and do you know how long? Since October 2023. I didn't tell anyone I was in rehab and apologized to the public until now.
Wait, so your death was actually made up the entire time?
Exactly. I guess your family doesn't know about it. Yet. But, when it comes to the bad piggies, things would so easily start to act like there's a mafia war going on. And the bad piggies are targeting you, and your family, and want to initiate the ultimate revenge against Neeraj Hazza and even your own home. Face it, Chuck. The threat is real. If you don't act fast, things will fall apart. It is time to act, ASAP.
This video is part of Curriculum Super Saturdays, the perfect way to kick off the weekend.